Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by unlocking the device and opening settings. Do it now so we can change timeout without delay. Once done, tap Display or enter Screen Timeout in Settings. Search to jump directly. Make sure Battery Saver is off because it can override timeout choices. Note the current timeout value so you can compare. You're taking these steps now to ensure the system shows all available timeout options and to avoid wasted taps later. Now you'll tap Screen Timeout and scan the list of durations. These usually range from 15 seconds up to 30 minutes, sometimes never. Choose the duration you want. Short times save battery, while longer ones prevent frequent unlocking. If your device offers adaptive or app-specific display settings, make sure those won't override your choice. You may need to confirm the selection. After choosing, watch the screen briefly to confirm it stays on for the new period. Finish by locking the phone and testing the new timeout to confirm it took effect. If the change doesn't apply, reboot the device or go back and reselect the duration. Make sure Battery Saver or a display managing app isn't forcing a different value. Disabling those often resolves conflicts. If problems persist, clear the Settings app cache or check for manufacturer-specific display tools. This final check ensures the change is permanent and helps you quickly fix common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.